Hi folks, thanks for joining me again. I thought I'd try something a little different today. I saw this Herman Pekel painting on the internet. I thought I've got to have a go at that. I love that sort of style. So this is my impression of one of his works. Before I show you how I did that one, quick plug for the book, Watercolour Paper Made Simple, available on Amazon, paperback, hardback and Kindle. If you want to take a look at that, details in the description. So before we start, let me show you my palette. Now I think I only used 3 colours for this one. I think I only used ultramarine, Payne's grey and alizarin crimson. I think it was just the 3 colours, yeah. I used the large on Ranson Hake, the flat brush there, and then tiny little rigger brush and a number 3 rigger brush. So let's crack on with the painting. You'll have to excuse the rain on the roof. It does get a bit loud in here sometimes, and it comes down a bit heavily. I'm going to work on the sky area first. Start off with I'm going to go ultramarine, a Payne's grey there as well. Alizarin, Payne's grey. And then I'm going to clean the brush. Just sort of blend some of that in. And brush again, as soon as it starts to get dirty. Quite a simple sky. Quite a simple sky, right here. What I'm going to do now is give that a quick dry. This is flat against the board. A little bit of land over there like that. And what I'm going to do for the rest of it, I'm going to switch to my little flat brush. I'm just going to mix all those colours together and I just want to sort of almost sort of silhouette the horizon. And start off. Church thing going on there. I'm doing scrape out a bit in a minute as well. I'm just trying to get sort of, almost like a sort of abstract feel of things on here. I want plenty of water to get to blend all together. Getting that level with the bottom, and get that parallel. These are further away, so there's less detail in these. It's a little bit lower. I'm sure this is flat first. I'm going to start scraping things out, see what it looks like. Let's get you a piece of card. I need some new cards because they're just not, they're not even square. Right, let's start. There's loads of boats here in the foreground. Try this method, get the boats and see if this works. Way of scraping a little boat in. Take a few with this brush, see what this looks like. bit of variation, putting a few in. Let's try the bigger brush. I will do that while I've got this brush. Just what these look like. Just dark little boats. Little things. What I want to do, I want to get it in really dark, that water. So I'm going to do, mix all those colours together again. Bit of alizarin, bit of Payne's grey, bit of ultramarine. I'm just going to push across like that. Quick draw. I think I'm just going to leave it like that, just leave it fresh, don't fiddle with it, anything like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the bird in. There's one there, one there, and one there, just 3 little birds. I'm just going to sign that one then. Let's just sign it over here. Now let's stick a mount on it and see what it looks like. This is the finished paint in the mount, so let's have a closer look. Very simple sky. I use very limited palette, just a bit of ultramarine, alizarin crimson. Payne's grey. I don't think I used any other colours. And then just use a clean damp brush just to keep lots of cloud areas in the sky. Then use the same colours just to do these sort of mass of buildings and whatnot. And then just try to make sense by just scraping out the odd little roof here and there. And then also use the card just to scrape up all these whole massive boat masts. Also scraped out just some of the boats there as well amongst it all. I was also so careful to leave this white strip all the way across there, just like a path or a road, something running around along the harbour's edge. Getting a few more boat masts in the distance. Just sort of abstract shapes and things, give the impression of lots going on there. So you see everything just brushed in like a silhouette. Very, very simple. And then the water again, the same colours, just quickly. Didn't quite. I was trying to get sort of more, as you can imagine, more unpainted bits amongst all this lot. Like this, but I'll put it on a bit too much. So that's it for that one. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you was painting along with me. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. So thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Any questions, please ask. This will be on eBay with all my other paintings, books on Amazon. So I'll see you again soon.